Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Today I want to talk about something super simple that makes every dish taste better. Kosher salt. Let's get to it. Let's start with the biggest reason: texture and control. Kosher salt has big, flaky crystals that are easy to pinch, easy to scatter, and easy to control. You can feel exactly how much you're using. Now compare that to table salt. The grains are tiny and dense, so a small pinch can easily oversalt your food. It pours quickly, it packs tightly, and it's very easy to use too much without meaning to. And sea salt? It's beautiful, but flakes vary widely in size depending on where it's from and where it's manufactured. Great for finishing, not as predictable for everyday cooking. Flavor is another reason I reach for kosher salt. Kosher salt has a clean, neutral taste. Table salt often contains iodine and anti-caking agents. They're safe, but they can add a slight aftertaste, especially in delicate dishes. Fun fact, a teaspoon of table salt can be almost twice as salty as a teaspoon of diamond crystal kosher salt, simply because the grains are so dense. Kosher salt dissolves evenly and predictably. It's forgiving. Table salt dissolves instantly and aggressively. Great for baking, but not ideal when you're adjusting seasoning as you cook. And sea salt, again, love it for finishing. But because the flakes can be huge or tiny depending on the brand and where it's from, you don't always know how salty each pinch actually is. When I'm cooking, not finishing and not baking, but everyday cooking, kosher salt gives the best balance. You get control, you get clean flavor, you get predictable seasoning. That combination is exactly why so many kitchens, from home cooks to restaurants, rely on it. Here's something most people don't know: kosher salt isn't one universal flake size. Diamond Crystal has large, airy flakes. Morton has smaller, denser crystals. That means a tablespoon of one is not equal to a tablespoon of the other. If a recipe uses Diamond Crystal and you only have Morton, use about 25 to 30% less, because Morton is saltier by volume. If it's written for Morton and you're using Diamond Crystal, you'll need a little more. And for what it's worth, a lot of commercial kitchens prefer Diamond Crystal because those light, airy flakes give the best control. Fun fact, the name kosher salt isn't because the salt is more kosher, it comes from the traditional use in the koshering process. So that's why I cook with kosher salt. Better control than table salt, better consistency than sea salt, and cleaner flavor all around. And once you get used to seasoning with those big flakes, especially Diamond Crystal, I promise you'll never want to go back. Try cooking with kosher salt for a month and see how much your food changes. Let me know how it goes. Thank you and have fun cooking.